Alrighty, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I figured I would start another video right now. Just kind of wanted to start it a bit differently and address that I have finally launched my brand and whatnot, and I'm super happy to, I finally got like everything placed to where I wanted it. Got the lettering on the back perfect and situated, so I'm super happy with that. And shout out to my guy. I'll throw his Instagram down below. Go give him a follow, and I'll throw the Instagram of the brand down below as well, so go give that a follow and cop some merch. I'd really appreciate it. I am trying to get rid of the last little bit of stuff that I have right now, so I can work on this new design that I came up with. I have one sticker already made, but I'd like to sell the rest of this stuff that I have. I have like 3 different stickers, and I have another one on the way. That's the new design. So I have 3 different stickers to choose from, and then I have a few sweaters left, and then I have a few shirts left, both of the same design, in a variety of sizes. So like I said, go to the Instagram below and let me know if you want to grab something. I'd really appreciate it. I'm not making a bunch of money off of it, but again, I'd really appreciate the support and whatnot. And I just wanted to say that I finally dropped it, and I've sold almost all the stuff for one drop. And I'd really like to start on this next design that I came up with, and it'll be on a black t-shirt instead. And it'll have a little bit of color to it, so I'm super happy to start that, and I can't wait to dig into it more and work on my brand more, because I'm super pumped with it, and I haven't devoted a lot of time to it because I've been super busy, but I figured I'd just devote as much time to it as I can. And yeah, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for supporting the channel and whatnot. So go cop some merch. Here's the back. I'll show you. I finally fixed the lettering and whatnot, so it looks how I want it to, or looks like how I want it to. But yeah, again, just wanted to start this video off like that, and it's gonna lead into something a little bit different. So stay tuned, because I did a little something, and I brought my car to Volkswagen. What is up, y'all? Alrighty, we're back. It's been a couple days. I got the car back, chilling with the dog. He won't hush because we're not going nowhere. He thinks we're going somewhere. Oh, stop it. Enough. Anyways, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and kind of explain what's going on. Alrighty, y'all. So I got my car back from Volkswagen yesterday, and they did a bunch of different tests, I guess. As you can see, what is that? Why did you not put that back right? Okay, so there's that, right? Pop this off, and just look at this, bro. I cannot believe this. I was like, are you kidding me? For one, this is all unraveled. This is it was literally unwrapped, showing wire and whatnot. So I wrapped that up, and then what is that, bro? Y'all just forgot to put the bolt back for my solenoid on top of my high pressure fuel pump. Dude, what in the hell? Why would you, bro, that just shows you guys are just not doing shit right? So anyways, they tell me that they take my EGR off, right? They unbolted this enough to where air could get in here, right? And my car starts. So that tells them that I have a bad turbo. They didn't examine my turbo at all. They didn't take 10 minutes to undo that one bolt right there, the flange on the downpipe, pull the downpipe back, and feel if my turbo was wobbling or not. Well, as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, my car started when I was at home, when I had it here. It literally started up, sounded fine. So I know that there's no problem with my turbo. I called multiple different shops, and literally, the dude was telling me with my tune, this should already be deleted because I don't have an EGR, because I have a block off plate already on the back of my motor. So, and this is called an ASV, an automatic shutoff valve, and it closes when the car, you know, is in case of like a runaway. But I've done my research and whatnot, and I talked to a dude, like even a shop in Canada. So I was talking with this guy in Canada at another shop that they sell this delete kit that for this whole thing, and I just purchased it. So I'm hoping to God, crossing fingers, that I can just install that piece, that pipe, and delete this stuff, and I should be good to go. That's what the guy was saying at the, you know, at that shop in Canada. He was like, bro, do not go buying a turbo. That sounds like a bunch of bull. You know what I mean? Like, there's no way that dealership is telling you the truth. Like, if your car, even if he said, even if my, you know, if my car started up while it was at home, there's no way I have a bad turbo if I heard it, you know, going. And but yeah, long story short, I know there's definitely nothing wrong with my turbo, and they did a bunch of fuel tests, and I guess everything is in spec. So I'm gonna throw that bolt back in, and then here in the next few days that should be shipped, and I should be able to just delete this pipe, like, you know, all this stuff. And because my car, it doesn't need an automatic shutoff valve, because its intercooler piping is big enough to where it won't run away like a runaway diesel. It doesn't do that. That's what that guy was explaining. He was like, you know, no, like the older Volkswagens would, but he's like, the newer ones, they don't do that. So I'm going to send it, and I'm, you know, because if the dealership took either one of these off and my car starts, why would it not start if I just deleted this? You know what I mean? So I'm just praying to God that that's what it is. Like I said, I knew it was going to be either something stupid or it was going to be my whole fuel system, like everybody was telling me. But man, am I stoked that it's not my fuel system? Hell yeah. So went and got my bolt from Volkswagen, so we're going to throw that back in. And then, yeah. So here in the next few days is when I'll pick this video back up, and we'll be installing that race pipe, and it's the moment of truth. And I should be just, I don't know, I'm hoping I'll be good to go. But if not, even the guy even said even if I do have an EPC light, that I should just be able to drive the car. That it shouldn't be in lit mode because it's already tuned. And you know, I should be able to just go to my tuner, like, and have it, you know, fixed for pretty cheap and not too much. But he said, dude, all the Malone tunes come with that ASV and EGR already deleted. So, but I don't know. Well, not the ASV, the EGR for sure, but the ASV is not needed. So that I might have to tune out of, you know, there. But other than that, I'm praying to God that that works, does the trick. Snoopy, what do you think? You think it's gonna do it? He's like, dude, I'm hot and I'm tired. I want to go. We're not going nowhere, Bubba. Alrighty. Well, we'll see you guys in a few days. Okay, so I didn't get much recording of it, but as you can tell, I just cut up my airbox, the stock airbox, and I am gonna use this as a like heat shield. So for my aftermarket intake, I'm hoping my elbow should just fit right in this, and then my intake should just come right out of this, and just kind of act like, you know, as like a little stock like brace and holder thing for it to keep it in place and whatnot. So because this right here stock like mounts to the stock bolt, and then this goes like pushes into that little knob. So I kept that there. I don't know, I mean, like, I just kind of sent it, so I'm hoping that it'll look all right in there. Clean it up and put it back in there. I'm gonna unbolt this thing down here, take that off, and then hopefully it should do the trick. And there you have it. I don't know, dude. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. Again, I'm changing this back to black, and then I have a thing to thread this in so I can actually use that and just keep that there like stock pretty much. But again, like, it's not 100% like holding on there because it's obviously like missing, like, you know, a few of the things, but I've got it bolted in there. And then down on the bottom, there's like that little, like, you can't see it, but there's like that little thing that holds it in there. It's like one of these little knobs. So I got that on there. And I mean, I don't know, I might figure something out how to just like keep it like that and straight. But other than that, I mean, dude, intake's staying there. It's holding it in there. It just kind of tucks right into that little spot there. And boom. Looks good, dude. I mean, I just literally cut up the stock airbox so I could have a little, you know, sort of like a heat shield kind of thing, and, you know, keep getting cold air from right here. And yeah, yeah, I think it looks good. Again, I just figured I would tackle this today and do it while I was, you know, bored, just chilling. But again, this part is ordered, and it's dope because the place that I talked to, they're up in Canada and whatnot, and they even have like on their the delete pipe, there's even like a stock dipstick holder bolt thing to where you can mount up this dipstick to that pipe. So that's gonna look super dope. It won't have no stupid nothing right here. It's just gonna be a pipe to intercooler piping, like a normal car. So yeah, I don't know, I might clean everything up because this is dirty and grimy, so I can make this all look better. But yeah, super stoked that I got that done. I think that looks good. Yeah, other than that, stay tuned, y'all. And here in the next couple days, I'm praying to God that it's back on the road and everything's fine. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna end this video right here, and just start a new one, and with, you know, me getting, you know, that race pipe, you know, and I've already have it ordered, so it should be here within like a week, I'm hoping. So I'll just start the new video then, and you know, get this video out for you guys, and just get some more content out there, keep you guys updated and whatnot. Again, I appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. Had a lot of love on the channel in the last, you know, few months. Some crazy numbers on some of my videos, so I'm super pumped on that. But again, I appreciate y'all support. So we'll see you in the next one, and hopefully this thing will be back on the road.